Natural gas water heater replacement labor prices have seriously skyrocketed, and it's leaving a lot of folks scratching their heads wondering why the heck it costs so much now. Okay, so if you're looking to replace your natural gas water heater without getting ripped off on labor, here's the deal. First, always get multiple quotes from licensed and insured contractors, because prices can vary a ton. Make sure the installer includes removal of your old unit in the labor price, some won't, and that can surprise you. Check if your current water heater setup has flexible inlet and outlet lines and an existing vent. If it does, that usually means the install should be straightforward and cheaper. Don't forget to ask about warranties on labor, and the tank itself. A good installer will offer at least a 1-year labor warranty and a few years on the tank. If you're feeling handy and your back can handle it, uninstalling the old heater yourself can save you some serious cash. But if you're not comfortable or physically able, paying for professional help is worth it to avoid injuries or mess-ups. Also, keep an eye on local market trends because labor rates can jump due to demand, insurance costs, or regulations. Lastly, always try to buy a good quality water heater brand like Bradford White with a long warranty. It'll save money in the long run by lasting way longer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with natural gas water heater replacement is hiring unlicensed technicians to save money. This often ends up costing more due to bad installs or code violations. The fix? Always verify credentials through your state's licensing board before scheduling. Another common problem is not confirming what's included in the labor price, like removal or permits, which can lead to surprise fees. The fix is clear communication before signing anything. Thirdly, some folks skip comparing quotes and just go with the first number they get, which might be highway robbery since labor can vary from $500 to over $1,700 depending on where you live. Fix that by shopping around and asking for itemized estimates. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who have been vetted and reviewed by real people in your area. For contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work by reaching more clients looking for reliable pros to handle their home projects.